cover him. He will tell the location.
If you are coming to Burjman, this is the main center, like metro station in throughout the Dubai. It's a main center point from where you can get like red line as well as green line. From like Burjman, you have to travel towards the this ADCB metro station. From the first signal, just take left. The Krama region will start, and opposite to Lulu Supermarket. Lulu Supermarket is the landmark, basic landmark. Opposite to Lulu Supermarket, we have the biggest branch throughout the Dubai. Like this is Life 25, recently opened. This is like most of the brands, all the brands you will not get on all the Life pharmacies. But here almost they have gathered all the brands because a newly launched branch. So they are trying to attract the customer, and also good promotions are always going throughout the year.
Okay, thank you. What flavor you have?
Strawberry, vanilla, and rocky rock.
This is strawberry?
Yeah. You want the same brand, sir?
Yeah, both same. What do you want? Chocolate? Vanilla?
Actually, in the other brand, I have promotion going on. They didn't inform you like that. In Ruleba and Muscle Core, if you
We know 400. That I
200 back.
I want one only.
Yeah, then you can go.
Then
There's
chocolate flavor is there?
Chocolate is not there. The big bag.
Chocolate is not there. Chocolate. What you have? Vanilla?
Vanilla ice cream and strawberry and rocky road.
Rocky roll. What do you want? Vanilla?
How much dirham?
Same.
319 price.
319. Price is same. Okay, then vanilla? अभी नहीं होगा. So what is the cost of this? 319. And in India it costs around how much? 9,900. So very cheap.
It's economic here. Yeah.
Very cheap. Okay. Back to the vanilla one.
2 vanilla, right?
Let's cover here. What is this? This one? What is this? What flavor?
Chocolate flavor.
This is 5.5 LV.
5 LPS.
What's the price?
173.50.
173. And in India, how much is it? Okay. This one. 173. India, it's around 4,700. It's very cheap here.
Also, the product quality is completely fine.
We can get the tax refund or
Tax refund, sure.
how much?
5%, sir.
5%. 5% tax refund. Okay, let's check other. You pack that one, I am come. Let's see what we have. Diamatize you have?
Diamatize out of somewhere. ISO Diamatize 2. These are available.
This one, what is the price?
236.
This is 236. Okay. 5.5 LV. And in India it's around 7,699. Okay. Okay, fine. Any other?
So basically these are the other products which are present in Life Pharmacy. So as per your choice and your requirements, please check the price. I tried to cover all the price over here. If I have missed something, I will be giving a link of Life Pharmacy. You can check the price online as per your requirement and then compare it with Indian price and then buy it. And if you want the number of this shop, then just follow me on Instagram and ping me. I will surely give you the number. You can directly contact them and order your product. You cannot order it from India, but you can definitely order it once you are in Dubai. So go ahead and like and subscribe my channel so that you get all these updates on supplements and gym. Enjoy the video and watch the video till the end to get all the prices along with the discounts. This shop has a lot of discounts which you can get information from them only. And if you want to know something, you can ping me in Instagram. I will surely try to help you. One more thing, in Dubai you will always get authenticated product. You don't need to doubt about that. They will provide you a authenticated bill as well, which they will give a sticker, and you will get a refund of 5% tax refund in the airport. So you can carry 1 to 2 supplements when you are going from Dubai to India, don't carry much. Your luggage will be more, so you can carry 1 to 2 supplements as per your requirement. I will suggest you don't carry more than 2 supplements so that you don't face any problem in the airport. In India, I used to buy my products or supplements from Nutrabay. I have already shared those details in my channel, so you can check those videos out which supplements I used in Nutrabay. So if you are coming to Dubai or any relatives stay in Dubai, you can order your supplements from here. You will get authenticated product as well as cheap product. So the on supplement which cost me just 6,000 rupees, which in Indian price is around 10,000, so around 4,000 difference. If you want to buy a supplement, buy a big supplement like 10 lb, so we will get a lot of profit on that. So this is the main benefit of buying supplement from Dubai. If you are traveling to Dubai, don't forget to buy supplement from Dubai and get the benefits of it. One thing that I noticed about Dubai is supplement is also available in the pharmacy as well. So the place I bought my supplement is also a pharmacy known as the Life Pharmacy. So unlike India, it is available in pharmacy, in malls. So everywhere you will get a place to buy the supplement. So wherever you are staying in hotel, you will definitely get a place to buy a supplement. So according to me, please check 4 to 5 shops and then select your shop to buy the supplement, because when I bought my supplement I also did the same and took price of 4 to 5 places and then got the best deal of supplement over here in Life Pharmacy. The address is also mentioned at the beginning of this video, so you can check that out as well. Come to this shop as well, because this is the largest Life Pharmacy in Dubai and it has the maximum discounts and products are also available here. So do check this out, guys.